In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create contact forms in Elementor with WPForms. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. From there, head to WPForms and click Add New. This opens the form builder where you can create a brand new form from scratch or start with a ready-made layout. If you're building a standard contact page, this is the fastest way to get everything set up cleanly and professionally. Next, give your form a clear name and choose a template that fits what you need. For most websites, a simple contact form template works perfectly because it already includes the basic fields visitors expect, like name, email, and message. Naming your form clearly also makes it much easier to find later when you add it to Elementor. Once the template loads, use the drag and drop builder to customize the form. You can add fields, remove anything you don't need, and click into each field to edit labels, placeholders, or required settings. This part is important because your form should feel simple for visitors to complete. In general, keeping the form concise can help improve submissions. After that, go into the settings area. This is where you configure notification emails, which control where form submissions are sent, and confirmation messages, which are what visitors see after submitting the form. Take a moment here to make sure your notification and confirmation settings match the experience you want people to have. When everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner, then exit the WP Forms builder. Saving at this stage ensures your form is ready to be inserted into a page without losing any of your work. Now open the page where you want the form to appear from the Pages section in WordPress and click Edit with Elementor. Once Elementor loads, look over to the panel on the left and search for the WP Forms widget. This widget is what connects the form you just created to your page design. Drag and drop the WP Forms widget into the section where you want the contact form to appear. As soon as you place it, you'll see widget settings with a drop-down menu. Open that drop-down and select the form you just created. Elementor will instantly display it on the page preview. From there, go into Elementor's Style tab to adjust the look of the form. You can fine-tune colors, spacing, padding, and typography so the form blends naturally with the rest of your website. This is a great step for making the form feel polished and on brand. Once you're happy with the layout and styling, click Update or Publish at the bottom of the Elementor panel to make the form live. And that's it. Your contact form is now created in WP Forms and embedded directly into your Elementor page.